In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to talk about this new food app that I've got. I've seen a lot of people talking about it and I've just literally downloaded it. First, I need to get changed. Boom. I mean, I don't really think I can call myself a vlogger because I don't really vlog, but Too Good To Go, I think it's called. I've seen a lot of people getting like Greg's and stuff on it, but I just downloaded it. I've seen the BP garage is on there and it's like £4.
For the boys out there, any of you ever shave and then realise how bad you've shaved, like after you start feeling all bits? When you've ordered something, you can see at the bottom, look, your order collection starts at 9 PM today, and groceries, this was £4. It says the full address, collect today, 12th of May. That kind of rhymes, you done know. Collect today 9 till 10. This store will ensure that your food is packed and ready for collection, but we encourage you to bring your own bag to carry it home. It says we'll give you a heads up, we'll send you a reminder before the collection time so you won't forget there to be on time. What you need to know, what's in your magic bag is a surprise. Can't predict what tasty treats will be left at the end of the day, but we hope you enjoy it. Sarah's coming. Sarah's not been on the channel since we went travelling, literally.
I've got peas. You want to see my hand? No, I can't move my finger, it's like stuck.
What, like that as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, as well as.
I keep like stretching it out. It's so bad.
Cool.
Your toes out.
Yeah, I know.
I've broken my finger.
You haven't been in the videos for 2 years. Guys, you went from I don't want to be in it to influencer real quick. Oh yeah. Spiced fruit buns. I'll take that. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
Fresh strawberry tarts. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, a beef lasagna.
Oh yeah. I'll take that.
I love lasagna.
Beef lasagna. Cheese and onion.
Yeah, that looks dead, I'm sorry.
That does look dead, but still, cheese and onion sandwich.
Absolutely not.
Mango, pineapple, melon.
Mango, pineapple, banana.
I'm taking some pictures of some clothes that I haven't worn in ages, like an old Reebok t-shirt, but people love the vintage stuff. So same here, another Nike tie-dye t-shirt. Gonna bang these on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, see if we can get some peas. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers and the recent support on the channel. I'm trying to get to 100k this year, so if you can, smash the subscribe button, never miss a video from me. I'm going to be uploading a video every single week on Sunday, I believe now, moving forward, and they're going to be a little bit more episode based and focusing on a certain topic, but also bringing my life into it as well, a little bit of entertainment as well. So hopefully that sounds good to you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.